Family travel is amazing, but let's be honest, it can also be stressful. If you've ever taken kids on a trip, you know how quickly things can turn from fun to chaotic. That's why tips and hacks for family travel are always in demand. Now, here's where autoblogging.ai connects. Instead of spending hours writing a long guide about traveling with kids, packing tips, formatting, adding images, and worrying about SEO, you can generate the entire blog in just few minutes. Here's the one I just made on family travel tips. It's fully structured, SEO ready, comes with proper images, infographics, headlines, and even YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog with FAQs. And all of this was done in under 3 minutes, and let me show you how I created. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. Basically, it lays out all the choices one by one so it feels easy to follow. For the article title, I'm going to type 10 family travel tips to keep kids happy on the go. This sets the topic for the blog. Next, for this one, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages. So if you want to reach audiences in Spanish, French, German, Hindi, or more, you can generate those versions instantly. Article length, I'm going to pick medium because it gives me enough space to explain each tips without making the blog too long. But here's what other options do. Short is great for quick updates or snackable content, and long is perfect for in-depth guides and SEO heavy blogs. Next, the type of article, I'm going to choose listicle here because tips works best when laid out as cleared numbered list. But here's what other style do. Informative builds a guide style article with explanation. Places organizes the blog around locations like cities or countries. And service by landing page creates a layout for service or promotional content. So listicle. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to pick second person here so the article speaks directly to the parents saying you instead of being too formal. But here's what other options do. First makes it sounds like a own story, and third is more neutral like magazine or a formal guide. Next, for the writing style, I'm going to pick conversational so it is friendly and easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto lets the AI choose automatically. Less AI words makes the blog feels more natural and human-like. Premium style 1 is optimized for formatting for SEO. Snippet optimizer is it helps the article appear in Google featured snippet. Witty adds a playful tone, and professional is more polished and serious tone. Conversational. Next, here I would tick on all the 4 boxes for the extra benefit in the blog. Intense optimized article makes the heading and structure more SEO friendly. FAQs pull in real questions parents are searching online and adds them inside your blog with answers. AI images generate visuals that match the topic and adds them with alt text. An infographic creates a quick visual summaries that makes the tips easier to remember. Next, SERP analysis. This is the big time saver. Normally you would look at the top blogs on Google, see how they are written, and then copy that structure. But here, Autoblogging does that automatically. It checks what's ranking on Google, see which section and keywords they use, and then shape your blog in the same way but with the original content. Just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type in how you want your article to be. And you can also select the country where you want to rank on top. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes for that extra benefit. Outline from competition copies the section flow of top ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted websites. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside the blog, and key takeaways adds a summary box at the end for quick readers. Next, AI proofreading. Now this is like having an editor built in. It fixes the grammar, readability, and keeps the tone consistent. You just have to enable this and leave a guideline here for them. Next, internal linking. Now this connects your new blog to your existing ones. So if you already have blog posts around best family resorts or travel packing hacks, Autoblogging will link those automatically inside this new article. You just have to enable this and quickly paste your domain here. This keeps the reader on your site for longer and also helps with SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a real editor to go over this blog, You can just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for the fact checks or for the accuracy or readability. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from our dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down, and within minutes you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that. It's ready under minutes with proper headlines, proper images, infographics added, and if you scroll down you'll see a YouTube video with FAQs also. But here's a quick tip for the next time if you want to be faster. Go to quick and single and just type in your title here, and within minutes you will generate a blog. It is just as same as Wizard with fewer clicks. And you can also use a bulk generate option here where you can upload multiple titles till 100 titles basically, and auto blogging will create them all and even publish it straight to WordPress. Family travel can be stressful, but blogging about it doesn't have to be. With autoblogging.ai, you can generate a full SEO ready article with tips, images, structure in under 3 minutes. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can try our done for you blog service where we'll create the entire blog for you. If you found this helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and comment which family travel topic you would like me to cover next.